In the first moments after you wake up, your mouth contains a concentrated layer of the body's overnight metabolic waste. Ayueureka Wellness focuses on a 30-second window to address this buildup before it enters your system. This is the Ayurvedic practice of Jiva Nirlekana, or tongue scraping. By physically removing this buildup, you clear the digestive tract of toxins that would otherwise be re-ingested. We will break down how to choose the correct tool, the physical technique to bypass the gag reflex, and the proper way to sanitize the equipment. This habit ensures your morning begins by clearing your digestive path rather than obstructing it. To begin, you need a U-shaped metal scraper, a mirror, and a sink. The scraper must be made of pure copper or stainless steel. Copper is particularly effective as it is naturally antibacterial. Avoid plastic scrapers. On a microscopic level, plastic is porous, creating small craters where bacteria can hide and multiply, making the tool itself the source of contamination. The sequence is critical. Scrape your tongue the moment you wake up, before drinking water or brushing. Ayurveda identifies this white film as metabolic waste. If you drink water first, it washes that waste directly back into your stomach. Using a metal tool at this specific time prevents the recycling of these biological byproducts. Stand in front of the mirror and extend your tongue. Hold both ends of the U-shaped scraper firmly. Place the curved edge of the tool as far back on the tongue as comfortably possible. For many, reaching the back of the tongue triggers the gag reflex, which often leads people to stop the practice. You can bypass this reflex by exhaling a steady stream of air as you pull the tool forward. This motion relaxes the throat. Apply light pressure. The goal is a smooth glide across the surface, not a forceful scrape that could cause microabrasions. Pull the tool in a single, continuous motion, from the back to the tip. A whitish or yellowish film will collect on the edge. This is the waste being removed. Effective removal depends on this controlled mechanical pull and steady breathing. Rinse the debris off the scraper under warm running water immediately after each pull. Repeat this process 5 to 7 times, or until the tool no longer collects any film. After the final rinse, wash the tool with mild soap and warm water. Copper oxidizes quickly when exposed to moisture. Dry the tool completely with a towel to maintain the metal's surface. Proper tool hygiene ensures that your daily routine remains a clean intervention for your digestive health. Once the scraping is finished, your mouth will feel noticeably cleaner and more refreshed. This also has a functional benefit for your nutrition. Removing the film clears the sensory receptors on your tongue, which sharpens your sense of taste for your first meal. Now you can proceed with your regular brushing and flossing. For more details on Ayurvedic morning routines or to find a copper scraper, read the full guide in the caption. Managing digestive hygiene is a matter of consistent 30-second choices that prevent